Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the third subdivision in question 2 of exercise 4.1. Let us look at the problem. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years is 3 years from now would be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Okay, so since they have defined and asked for us to find Rohan's present age, I'm going to declare the variables, everything in terms of Rohan's age. So let me declare Rohan's age as X. X means his mother's age is going to be X plus 26 because mother is 26 years more than Rohan's age. So X plus 26 is mother's age. Now that the variable declarations are out of the way, let's see what we are supposed to do. 3 years from now, the product of their ages will be 360. So if Rohan's present age is X, 3 years from now, Rohan's age will be X plus 3. Similarly, mother's age 3 years later will be the present age, which is X plus 26 plus 3. So the product of these two numbers is 360. Now let's find the quadratic equation. Before that, let's do this part of simplification. So x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. So let's do the term-wise multiplication. So x squared plus 3x plus 29x plus 29 into 3 is going to be 87 is equal to 360. So x squared plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. Now 360 minus 87, let us simplify that. 55 minus 18 or 15 minus 18, it's going to be 7. So 273. So x squared plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. And remember, we are supposed to find the value of Rohan's age. So we have to solve this particular quadratic equation, which is x squared plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. So I'm going to draw a factor tree for 273, which I'm looking at in terms of 3 tables. So 3 into 91. 91, I can divide this with 7. So this is going to be 13 times. So now let us try the possibilities. 7 threes are 21. 21 comma 13 will not fetch me a 32. But 13 into 3 is 39. 39 comma 7 will fetch me a 32. So let's write this. X squared plus 39x minus 7x minus 273 is equal to 0. Take the common term. So x into x plus 39 minus 7 into x plus 39 is equal to 0. So x minus 7 into x plus 39 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 7 or minus 39. Remember, we are talking about a person's age which cannot be negative. So x is equal to 7, which means Rohit's age is 7. You can compute the value of mother's age to be 33. In the next video, we will see how to solve the last subdivision in this particular exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.